Assalamu alaikum. I am back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, in the previous tutorials, we created the dashboard, then we created company profile, demo form, and in the previous video, we created user management form. It was very simple form, not advanced or complex type of query, but a very simple form to understand how Oracle is working and how we can create a simple form. So in the future we will move on to the next and we will do form and create form complex type of form and report. For the next step, we already created completed the setup tables, and we created the user and then set its path we'll be using in the next videos when we create farm file login, its company profile and user management. Now move on to the next script, and it called finance table. I created a chart in the let's create open any SQL developer. I am using DB Forge Studio for Oracle. You can use whatever you want, and you can use Oracle PLSQL editor and other one. It's paid, so I can work with many type of data. Let's create this form, sorry, this table. It's created. Now let's go to the form builder and create a form. Double click on the module and change its name to chart. Its full name is chart of count. Let's remove the many module, default one, and go to window and also change its width to 760 and width to 488, and also click on canvas, press plus and change its width 760 and width 488. That's it. Let's uh, double click on canvas. It will create open a canvas, and we should also open the user management canvas so we can copy the necessary data like I think all fields are copyable, so let's copy all the form. Also this one, copy the all form and paste in the chart, and that's it. Let's change name to chart of count. I copied because we can save our time, and we will learn very uh, basic and very fast, so we can save our time. Let's save this form to chart, and it's saved. Let's change user info to chart of count account. Let's adjust it according to our need. So let's move it to the left, and we will also create a view block so we can view in the left side which account we are created and how we can create a next one, and which account has its value and its data. So first of all, we have to check its table script ID, ch code, its account name, account ledger name, address and phone, level number, header ID, and is active is head company ID. That's it. Let's create the convert this to according to our need. So let's move it to left a little bit, and then we now need to have the password. So for now we can change um, password to password to ledger name, and remove its concealed data to no change, and data type full name should be 300 300 name and ch code. Let's change to 300. Also change the 300 of the account name should be account name, and it we can called ledger name. Also we don't need a role, so we remove this one. Address we need, active status we need, and also we have to add account name field. Let's change short name ch code, and change its value to char. That's it. And we can move this to below one, and there is we have to create a LOV in this form. This form is not a simple form. It can be very logical and business logical. So let's duplicate this one and also duplicate this one. We can short the name. Now we can change head ID, and change it data type to integer, and and change this textbook to head name. That's it. Head name ID, and we can say there is another field required is called level number. Hmm, its level number. Let's change its value to level number. A data type should be number. Also disable display item, and ledger name, account name. We can say uh, all all necessary field are done. So let's move to the next one. First of all, we have to change block name to main. Also, we have to create another block called block detail manually, and it for showing the data. Change its value to detail, and uh, control press the control button, ID, ch code, and uh, select these three fields and press Ctrl D for duplicate it, and now select the duplicated item and move it to the right side of the form and align them. Let's suppose make it very slow. Adjust it. Now go to layout and align element, and then sorry, I did it wrong. Stack, horizontally stack and align left center. That's it. This is show block. Let's say click all these and block change main to detail block. Now these item are moved to the detail block, and we can change its value to uh, D ID, D for detail block name, and D ch code, and it is D ch name. Now go to the block property and number of record displayed. Change this value to 10. What is mean of this? It will show the number of record to the 10, like 1 2 3. It will show 10 record per time. So we can also adjust. We can do show more record than 10. So let's change its value to suppose 15. What will happen? Is there any place available? Yes, it it will work. Now full screen the form and change its place to the left side, and we can also do it on the below side, and we can change ID to ID, and it is account name, account number. Control duplicate this one and set it here. Duplicate this account name and also change it here. Now select all these one and align center. That's it. And now also we can select all these, accept this, accept this, accept this, accept this. Now go to the layout and align stack, left and is vertical stack. It will be aligned perfectly. Now duplicate this one and change its name to the heading ID, head account. Sorry. Let's change to the left side, and we can also move this one, and that's fine. Now align it according to our need. That's it. Now let's copy the trigger so we don't need to write code again and again. Let's paste this one and open the trigger and change title name to chart of account, and we don't need to execute this code. So let's compile it. Let's say role name, oh sorry, in the let's also delete this trigger so we don't need to change the go to the save button and delete its trigger also. And that's it. Let's compile it again. Not any code, so it will not throw any error and not compiling. So do call it, go to the dashboard demo and open this form by pressing button. Let's say user management. Then we can duplicate this button and move it to the left side and double click on this form and change its name to chart, and we can change its name to chart. That's it. Let's go to its PL SQL editor and change the calling form name to the chart. That's it. Let's close this dashboard form, otherwise it will throw a form error. And now again open this demo 25. Let's see what will happen. Is our chart of account form calling button is available or not? And that's it. It says a chart and it says chart, sorry, it says we have to change its name to demo because there is a lot of chart uh, form available name chart, so it did not understand without full name of the form. We are calling it direct from the form without giving a full name, full path of the form. So we have changed this to chart demo. Also close the dashboard form and change the calling form to chart demo from the chart. Now let's open again the project. What will happen? Let's say let's open the form. This is very simple form. We have created the layout. Now we will move to the next. In the next video, we will create a how we can create a LOV and call it when we not given and not any data. Let's exit this and see you in the next video.